Hi guys, so in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all a quick unboxing plus a complete review of the Positive Planner by the Positive Store. So this is how cutely packaged my planner came in. Now they were kind enough to send me this planner and here I am completely reviewing it for you all. I did get quite a lot of comments on how this planner is. So here is the video. Now I have previously done another video on their planners and habit trackers, which I'll link in the description box below if you haven't checked it out yet. So yeah, now without further ado, let's get started in this video. So the Positive Store planner comes in 3 different colors: black, teal, the one that I have, and brown color. So all of the planner has a cover of leather which is completely vegan and cruelty free. The planner retails for $1,999, but on their website thepositivestore.in and Amazon you can find it for just $14.99. Also, if you want some extra discounts, you can use their referral program where you basically can refer your friend and you both get 10% off on your purchases, which I think is a really nice initiative since you get an extra discount. So this is how the planner looks like. The build quality is extremely good. You have the Positive Store engraved behind, and in front you have obviously the strap for the book. Then you have a little pull out for the back pocket, which I'll again show you further. The leather is extremely nice and luxurious. Trust me, you feel that you're holding an expensive planner. Now the first thing that attracted me is this mandala art that they have, which I think is completely customized towards them. You have these positive affirmations engraved around the entire mandala art, and since it's a positive planner, what better? You have everything that is going to help you spiritually, mentally, physically, like meditation, the planet Earth, the trees. That so much of detail have gone behind this cover of the planner, and I think it actually generates positivity. So the first page obviously has to be who the planner belongs to, and the classic one, of course. Moving on, you have the credits for the author and the creators who have worked so much hard in detailing this planner. Then you have the page of the journey. So it's basically a little mind map through the entire planner, what you have on the first page, then the last page like goals, habit trackers, monthly overview and all that. Perfect for an overview of a planner. Then you have a page of introduction with a QR code which you can scan, and of course get a complete guide on how you can use the planner at its best. Again, a really nice initiative. So the first page is Get Clarity. You have a nice quote written. It says, "Where focus goes, energy flows." You have 5 questions that this page asks you to answer. It's more focused on your role models, everything knowing about you more clearly. That's why it's called the clarity page. It has questions like, why do people praise you? What are the things different in you? What is unique in you? What would you do if you have a failure? So all such beautiful questions, which will obviously differ. The answers will differ from person to person, but this is what the Get Clarity page states. Then you have the why page, and again you have a little theory written there as to why. Now why basically means reasoning. So there are questions like, why is it important for me to achieve the goal? What is that I believe in and would trade my life for it? Like, what is more important? What do you prioritize? What is the purpose of it? So all such questions are in the why page. Then you have the belief system with a lovely quote stating, whether you think you can or think you can't, you are right. Here you basically have questions about what can you do to get rid of your habit? What are the bad habits in you? How will you transform something and create something better? How will you believe in something? All such questions are here in the belief system. I would, if you are, buying this planner, I would highly urge you all to read the transcripts or the theories that they've mentioned. Then you have the Ikigai page. Now, if you have read the Ikigai book, you would know what this page is all about. Ikigai is all about finding the purpose of your life, the entire Venn diagram of Ikigai. So, yeah, I think it's a nice initiative by them to include this page over here. And there's a beautiful quote that says, "The reason for being, the thing that gets you up in the morning." So, next you have the action page. So this page is perfect for the actions that you will be taking to accomplish the things that you want in the coming year. Basically, what will you do to stay on track? Whom will you be accountable to if you do something wrong? So all such things are to be answered in this page of action. Now, lastly, there's a page called as RAS, which stands for Reticular Activating System, which is surprisingly a part of our brain that acts as a gatekeeper. So this page is entirely about an intimate goal that you have in your mind. And of course, the goal can be ficklish, it can change from now and then, but it's always good to write down that intimate goal that you do not want to tell anybody. Then you have the classic vision board. I really like how they have kept 2 pages for the vision board, as you can have anything on your vision board. Like you want to go on diet, have some fruits over here. If you want like a good amount of money, or you want to earn some money, have like a check over here. Anything can come up on your vision board. Moving on, there's a dedicated page towards goals, and this is so nicely done. It's not just a simple page where you write goal, it's divided. Why do you want to achieve that goal? You can set your goal and divide it into 3 milestones, reward yourself. Also, there's a little tab for your action task. Like if I want a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel more, so I will break it down into 2,000 like that. And you not only have 1 or 2 pages, they have provided you with a good amount of page to write your goals, so you can have as many goals divided into small goals. So now you have the monthly layout. So on the left hand side, you can see there's January written with some arrows flowing around. So it's basically the goals, or what are the priorities in the different sections. So you have like health, fun, social contribution, relationship. It can be anything. Like you want to achieve, let's say you want to complete your target for the career option. You want to start doing yoga in the personal growth option. Then on the right hand side, you have January's monthly layout. So here basically you have the top 3 outcomes of the month, and then on the extreme right there is date and day. Now this planner is undated, so you can start it at any time of the year, which I think is really nice. You do not need to wait for the first of the month. And as you can see at the end, there is a quote or a thought written. Now coming to the weekly page. So here it is basically divided into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and weekend. So Saturday and Sunday is comprised into one weekend. I'm completely okay with it, as mostly my Sundays are blank. So it's a nice thing. Now then you have your habit tracker, ultimate goal, outcome notes, which I'll come through one by one. So if you look at a complete day, at the top you have the day written, Monday, and then you have a little circle where you can write the numbered date, grateful for, and then you have these 3 blocks. So here basically you can write your to-do list or task. So as you can see, there are 2 circles. If you fill the circle halfway, the small circle inside, that means you have not done your task mindfully. And if you fill the circle completely, that means you have done the task mindfully. So you can see the amount of details went in making this planner. Then at the end you have the stars, like how much would you like to rate the day, 3-star, 4-star, 5-star. You have a little block for the main outcome of this week. So what have you taken out from this entire week. Then there's a habit tracker. So it's a very nice habit tracker. It's spiraled, and then on the main one you write the habit, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Sunday you can fill in with colors or any designs that you want. Then there's a little block for your ultimate goal of the week. So that can be anything, like you want to exercise for 5 days of the week, or eat healthy for 3 days, or have only once in a while of hotel food or something. It can be anything. Similarly, you have the same layout going on the other side of the paper. Then you have a little note section for magical events that happened, and where did you fail and how can you improve. So I really like the magical events happened little block, because it is very interesting. You know have to think for removing that little magic day in your entire week. Now, lastly, at the end of the month, you have a monthly review. So again, this review starts by meaningful moments that happened in this month. What did you do best on? Rewards for the achievements that you have accomplished. Your biggest lesson in the month. How could you have done better or improved on? What do you remember the most of this month after 5 years? Like, what is it that is going to stand out? And then you have things like, how will you rate yourself in the health, fun, contribution aspects? Grateful for notes, and a lot of more, mindful questions. Similarly, you have the same layout going on for each and every month. I really like how simple yet so meaningful and thoughtful this planner is. And you have this exact layouts going on for each and every month, like April, May, June, July. So you kind of have an idea about what you can improve in the coming month, because you know what questions are coming your way at the end of the month. So the planner is very detailed, focused on improving your mental health and a lot of other aspects within you. So after the monthly review is done, you have this beautiful 12 pages of coloring. Now, if you have seen my 5 habits to follow self-care habits, I have spoken about coloring, and surprisingly, they have included these amazing, beautiful mandala coloring pages. In total, there are 12. And obviously, these are, I think, personalized towards the Positive Store. It's not somewhere from where they've printed it or anything. So I'm so excited to buy some new color pencils. And coloring is very good for your mental health, to de-stress. It is actually a good exercise for your brain as well. So if you want to know more, you can check out my 5 self-care habits video. And I cannot tell you guys enough about what benefits coloring gives you. And you can see the details went behind these beautiful pages. The next page is of taking a decision. Now, this is something that blew me away. I've never seen such a thing before. It is a page that will help you to take a decision. I always wait for someone to, help me out when I'm confused. But here you have this planner. Let's say you want to take a decision about buying a new phone. So there are questions like, is it an impulse buy or it's important? It's something what you need. What are the pros and cons? Best case scenario, worst case scenario? What does your gut feel? What is the final decision? And the next step is like, if it is yes, then how and when are you going to purchase, the finances and all that? And if it is a no, then what can you do further? You have a lot of pages about these decisions, and I am so excited to use this. Next, you have the positive task. Again, something that I've never seen in any of the planners that I've reviewed so far. So these are basically some tasks that are assigned to you. We always, if somebody else is commanding us, we'll do it immediately. And if we are staying in our own comfort zone and not doing anything, we are actually not going to do anything. So this includes tasks like finding out your personality type, tracking your expenses for 30 days. Very unpredictable and really nice task, like learn 3 new words today, learn a magic trick today. So there are so many tasks. I'm so excited to do them. Then you have the bucket list of the year, the classic, like whatever you want, skydive, bungee jumping, whatever comes in your mind. So you have a complete page for bucket list. Then you have $1 million ideas. I mean, when do we not get an idea and we think that we are the first person to discover this? And then turns out that there are already thousands of videos on it, right? If it is relatable, give this video a thumbs up. It has happened to me so many times. So these pages are just to, kind of jot down the ideas. I really like the dotted pages, because you should not include the ruled pages anymore. The dotted pages are much convenient. So there are a couple of good amount of pages for you to write down your $1 million ideas. You have a page for interesting people I've met. Very interesting. So a lot of times we come across people which we kind of find out that they are a little weird, or they are too interesting for us, or too normal, or too boring. So just to keep a track on the different kinds of people you meet, there are pages here in this planner. Again, very unique and thoughtful. Also, I forgot to mention, it has numbers on each and every pages. So it is great for you all in case you like your planner to be numbered. Next, you have life lessons to tell the world. Now, I believe everyone has a story, and it's a great way to jot down all the things that you have in your mind. Maybe your failure story is success story to somebody else. Not all success stories are success stories for everyone in the world. Many times we learn from our failures. So these pages are just to write down the life lessons that you have learned. Lastly, you have a page for notes. I usually use these notes page to create timetables for my college examinations and all that. So you have pretty good amount of pages to get you covered with, I think, a lot of exams. And then lastly, there is a little cover up page where you basically are addressed about the positivity, how to experience the most happiest moments, and how to make the most out of the least that you have. So that is where the planner ends, but at the end you have this pocket. Now the pocket is pretty good quality one, not a flimsy one, and there are a lot of surprises kept in for you in case you buy this planner. So one by one I will tell you all what you get along with this planner. Firstly, these positive stickers. This is the brand logo of the Positive store. So yeah, you get these 2 stickers. Now then these cards. Now I had never seen such a thing before. So let me just tell you what this is about. So this is just a little card that they had sent in the package. So these are goal cards. So here, firstly, you have a goal card, and on this card you can write the main goal and what you are grateful for. So then you have award cards, like my inspirational award goes to, presented by. So if I'm giving this award to my mom, I'll write goes to mom, presented by Himani. The most humorous award, you have mentor award. These are very cute things. Happy face award, beautiful soul award, and these are just beautiful, honestly, so thoughtful, and the quality is pretty sturdy. So I cannot wait for the year to end and give this away. Then you have this feathery bookmark which says follow your passion and live your purpose, which this planner is all about, finding the purpose of your life. Then you get this pocket diary or little notebook which has positive store or positivity engraved on it. It's a dotted notebook, pocket sized, very pretty. You can use it for literally anything. I haven't yet decided for what am I going to use it. And then you get a set of, then you have these stickers. So you have a sticker for yes day. Yes day basically means saying yes to whatever comes your way. Mindfulness day, so here you basically have to recharge your brain, practice mindfulness. Then you have forgiving day, grow others. So forgiving day is to basically forgive if any mistake comes through your way, and grow others is basically to help others, help them grow, whether it's your grandparents, whether it's your mother, father, helping them. Then you have me time, where you basically connect with yourself, the inner you, manage your finances. So on the day where you put the sticker, you can manage all of your finances. You're supposed to complete the task. Self-talk day, where you just want to sit with yourself alone and just reflect back. And lastly, you have listen and appreciate. On this day, you listen to others and appreciate. Lastly, you get these beautiful metallic gold stickers. Now in here you basically have like check marks, birthday cakes for birthday, broom for like cleaning the room or house. Then you have knife and fork for if you're dining out, aeroplane if you're traveling, a prayer one. Then you have book one if you're reading, shopping, the trolley for the shopping, a question mark if you have like any doubts for that day, or if the day was just completely questionable for you. So it's very nice, cute little stickers that you can use in your planner. And I love the contrast of the gold on a very nice plain simple planner. I think it's going to stand out beautifully. And then similarly in this gold metallic sheet, you have another sticker sheet which includes like dumbbells for gymming. There is the Positive Store logo, pizzas for like, you want to have a little junk meal day. There's darts, alarm clock if you want to wake up early. Then there are these cute little trophies if you have achieved something or accomplished something. If it's a rainy day, then of course there are these period ones. Oh my god, it is so pretty. Like, I am totally going to use those period stickers whenever I am going to get periods. You have the vacation one at the beach, doctor's appointment, you have the stethoscope, meditation ones at the last is so beautiful, and the music ones if you can see. So I think the most signature about this planner are going to be these stickers and the goal cards which I showed you guys earlier, the affirmation stickers and the yes day stickers, positive stickers, self-talk stickers. I think nobody has done like this before. It's almost like somebody is commanding you to go ahead and do these good tasks, and it's very difficult to find someone who actually helps you out to improve as a person. And this planner is literally doing that. So I am very, shocked and very happy to get this planner, as it's designed not only to improve you in achieving your goals and maintaining a day-to-day life, writing down the to-do list and all that, but apart from that, I think the planner really helps in, improving your mind spiritually, mentally, making sure that your mindset is always positive. As the name suggests, it's a positive planner. So I can see the hard work went behind in this planner. Now, if you're someone who hasn't purchased a planner yet and is looking out for the best one, I think you've got this. This is by far the most unique planner that I've come so far. And honestly, it's undated, so you do not even need any particular date to start off the planner. It's not specifically designed for 2021, so you can buy it at any time of the year. So I'll be linking down below the links where you can buy this planner form. You can either buy it from the Positive Store, or you can buy it from Amazon as well, wherever you find it, convenient to. So yeah, this was the video. I hope you guys liked it and find it helpful. Let me know your thoughts about this planner in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.